So let's once again talk about hardness of water. It is soap destroying power, and there are two types. One is temporary hardness and other is permanent hardness. Temporary is because of calcium and magnesium bicarbonates, and permanent is because of the calcium and magnesium sulfates, chlorides and nitrates. Okay, you can remember permanent. Permanent कौन सा है? Sulfates, chlorides and nitrates. Sulfates, chlorides and nitrates. Hardness of water is expressed in milli equivalents per liter, and one milli equivalent per liter is equal to 50 mg per liter, which is nothing but 50 ppm. Based on this, we can divide into soft water hardness and moderate hardness, and hard water and very hard water. Soft water means less than 1. It is not suitable for drinking. We drink moderately hard 1 to 3, and if it is more than 3, then we consider softening of the water. Very hard is more than 6. Okay, so what is the disadvantage? Disadvantage is, if water is hard, what will happen? You have to use more soap and detergents, isn't it? And if you boil them, what will happen? Furring and scaling of boilers will occur, and there is a fuel consumption, loss of efficiency, and boiler explosions can also occur. So hard water adversely affect cooking. Food cooked in soft water retains the color and the appearance naturally, but hard water, it destroys the taste and color appearance. Fabrics washed in hard water do not have a long life, so there may be industrial processes in which hard water is unsuited and give rise to economic loss. Hardness shortens the life of pipes and fixtures. So what are the things we have to remember? We have to remember that more soap and detergents are to be utilized if you're using hard water, and these carbonates, they precipitate and form this furring or scaling of boilers. Furring and scaling of boilers. This leads to more fuel consumption. Fuel consumption will be more, and loss of efficiency. Hard water adversely affects cooking. Food cooked in soft water retain the natural color and appearance, and fabrics, if they are washed in hard water, they do not have a long life. There are many industrial processes in which hard water is unsuited and give rise to economic losses. Hardness shortens the life of pipes and fixtures also.